Hey there DIY coders, welcome to HTML Quickie, the place where we give you the smallest of HTML lessons so that we can teach you HTML one small step at a time. Now before we get started, there will be a video link down in the description below. If you're a complete beginner or you have a rough idea of what HTML is, I recommend you check out that video. But if you're all good, we'll get started with this video. So before we can do anything, please have your text editor out, your web browser out, and also have the two applications open to the file we'll be working on. And one more thing before we go ahead to learn the tag for this video, please copy the highlighted code that I have here onto your text editor. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do so. Other than that, we'll go ahead and learn this tag called the small tag. So I'll go ahead and just type it out here. Small, there we go. And then we'll write out this is small text. And we'll save. And there you go. So we see some text here. It looks perfectly normal, but let's put a P tag right above it. I'll copy and paste this text into it and see what happens. And you'll notice on the browser, all right, this text seems to be smaller than this text above it right here. So let's say we'll put this this bit of code into the B tag. We'll save so we can compare, and then you can clearly see that this text is actually smaller than this text. All right, now we know that the small tag makes text small on the browser. So is there anything else that it currently does? By standard, this has no other purpose, and by browser default, the small tag will do nothing more than just present text in a smaller format. And that's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. If you found this video unhelpful, please hit that dislike button. And if you have something big or small to say, please leave it down in the comment section below. And if you think I've earned it, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on all the new videos that I make. And that's it for this video. See you guys next time.